my channel. So today I'm filming a kind of dark smoky eye. This has purple hints in it, so if you're not the type to gear towards dark colors and you more so like neutrals and warm brown tones, this definitely isn't a look for you. But if you want to go out your comfort zone, I definitely would recommend this look. It's very mysterious, very dark, very sultry, very glam. Like this is full glam beat. Like I think I'm going to title this Basic to Baddie, because this is full. Okay, she's here, she's glam, she's all of it. Okay, y'all see that highlight? Only $4. So you're going to see it in the video. I hope you guys have a great day, great morning, great night whenever you're watching this. I just hope you have a great life. As I like to say, stay blessed, stay positive, do good things, be great, be successful, and be you, because no one is greater than you, no one is better than you, and no one is you, so no one can do you like you. So without that being said, let's get into the video.
Hey, oh, hey, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it round my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go. It won't take me far. I'm living my life like it's golden, 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 golden. I'm taking my own freedom, putting it in my song, singing loud and strong, moving all day long. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my soul. I'll be hot stepping y'all, letting the joy unfold. I'm living my life like it's golden, 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 golden, living my life like it's 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 golden, golden. I'm holding on to my freedom, can't take it from me. I was born into it, it comes naturally. I'm strumming my own freedom, playing the God in me, representing His glory. Hope He's proud of me. Hope He's proud of me. I'm living my life like it's golden, 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 golden, living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's golden, golden, living my listening, no, I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here. But since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your party, I'll be here. Somewhere in the corner, under clouds of marijuana, with this boy who's hollering I can hardly hear. Over this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here, oh, here, oh, girl. Yeah.
I love you.